Ever felt that pit in your stomach? You know, the one where payday feels like a distant mirage, and your bills are doing a synchronized swimming routine in your inbox? That moment when you're staring at an empty fridge, or a car that's decided to have a dramatic breakdown right when you need it most. We've all been there. It's that tightrope walk between needing a little help and wanting to avoid the stress of traditional loans. You're looking for a safety net, something that bridges the gap without tying you down with endless paperwork and sky-high interest. Now, imagine a tool that could potentially ease that pressure. Something that understands the ebb and flow of your finances, a helping hand that's more of a quick, flexible boost. That's where services like Beforepay come into the picture. It's not about getting rich quick or a magic money tree. It's about managing those unexpected bumps in the road, getting a little breathing room when you need it most. Okay, let's cut to the chase. You're here to find out, how much cash can Beforepay actually give you? It's not a one-size-fits-all answer, and that's actually a good thing. They're not just throwing random numbers around. Instead, it's a system designed to look at your individual financial situation. Essentially, Beforepay offers access to a portion of your upcoming wages before your actual payday. This is known as a pay advance. The amount they offer isn't fixed, it's determined by a few key factors. First, they'll look at your income. How much are you actually earning? They'll need to see proof of your regular pay, so linking your bank account is essential. Next, they'll assess your spending habits. Are you managing your finances responsibly? They'll analyze your bank statements to understand your typical expenses and income patterns. This helps them determine a responsible amount they can offer you, ensuring you're not overextending yourself. Then there are the fees. Beforepay charges a small fixed fee for each advance, not interest. This fee is clearly stated before you accept the advance, so there are no surprises. The actual amount you can borrow will vary, but generally, it's designed to be a manageable portion of your upcoming pay. It's important to understand that Beforepay isn't a loan. It's a pay advance, which means you're accessing money you've already earned. They're essentially giving you early access to your own funds. The exact amount you can get will depend on your individual circumstances, but it's typically a few $100s, designed to help you cover those immediate needs. So, to summarize, the amount Beforepay can give you isn't a flat number. It's based on your income, spending habits, and the fees involved. It's a flexible tool that can provide a short-term financial boost, not a long-term solution. Remember, it's about responsible financial management. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.